you for the bread, yo. Thank you.
It's been a wonderful time. The breakfast was nice. Let's wait till the cook rice.
Hi everyone, welcome to the biggest hunting in Nigeria. Like, this is organized by Ato Lifestyle, one of the top YouTubers in Nigeria that documents hunting. Like, if you love hunting and you've not been watching Ato, maybe talongo gogon. No, let me understand. Anyway, we are just back from the forest and we are cooking. This is like an open space. We'll be spending 72 hours right here, and we have a chef that will be cooking for us. Currently they are making eba. There's no how you want to come on tea, especially Ijebu side, and you don't go chop eba. Like, you know, there's nothing like fufu. It's always rice, eba, and some other good food. All right, so the preparation has started. They are making eba. Over there is pepper. They are trying to boil the pepper. And let me just take you guys around with me. This is Jazzy and Jazzy my G.
Yeah. You know the vibe. That's Adventures of Jazzy on YouTube. Check it out.
I have here, you can see, we'll be spending 3 days here. We have onions, we have pepper. Over here, Mama is doing noodles that everyone can buy. You can buy from her. She makes the best noodles that comes with veg. Yeah. No, baby, in one sitting now. Oh, the veg. We eat most can, but this is natural, like straight from the farm. What are you talking about? We eat healthy. You can't be an hunter and you don't eat healthy. It's not possible. Over here we have drinks. We have Desperado. This is not an advert for them, but we'll still talk about it anyway. And we have water. We have the media team. I don't know their name yet, but I will still ask them for their names. And see, we have a lot of drinks. Like, everybody is ready to enjoy. And here is the most supportive wife, my woman, Victoria Ato. Like, please check her out. Channel melo le ni yen no be Mary, and we like owogun. One like owogun. Like, she has been doing a lot, you know. The truth about life, put it to my face. Let me just say it. I will not lie. Marry right, oh baby. And if you are yet to be married, don't settle for less, because at the long run, you will suffer it. How can a fine woman like this, glowing skin, come to the bush just to support the husband? I'm proud of you. I've always been saying it behind you, but I have to say it to your face this time around that I'm proud of you. Thank you for loving our boss. Thank you, you are highly done. Anyway, we have other hunters over there. So the cooking is going on. I just want to talk to you guys about it, and yes, we'll carry you along as the night goes, because it's gonna be a very lovely night. I know, and I'm sure. So you all will definitely enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comment section and enjoy the rest of the video. My intro is already long. Hi everyone. I want my dannery. Kile ẹ kí wá rò mami wa. Mo mọ kíni rò. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ ma. Ẹ̀sìn. Awo. Okay. So
be coming down after the station like this. Okay. Yeah, making a because you see me lágbára gan.
Má jẹ̀bà gan.
Chef AY in his school.
No. Hello. So it's because you know him. That's why you responded. When I came here, I smiled.
He called my name.
That doesn't mean woman to woman. I said
Man to woman.
Women supporting women.
You want to be a feminist? You cannot feminist here.
No, no.
You cannot be feminist.
Your mommy dad be mo shede here. Normally your mommy can hug me, can hug me. Money can gbe wa kin dero. Well done. Don't mind me. I'm a jealous type. Oh, I'm jealous. May God may they fall like it to my fair will. front of Eba is ready and it has been wrapped. Second set is going on. We are about to make the second set.
I'm doing well. Bushmeat.
Hi!
I'm enjoying myself.
You're enjoying yourself. I'm glad you are. Hi my loves, welcome to day 2 hunting with Ajura hunters in Ogun State, Nigeria. And it's morning. This morning we woke up to go to our own built restroom and the bedroom. we baited inside the bush and we feel clean, we feel good. We slept over there yesterday. That is our bedroom. Like a lot of us were just there. And yeah, after baiting, we could not brush inside the bush. We came to this side so that we can brush. So let's do it, let's brush. And a lot of people got up very early. In fact, I will tell you guys that they did not sleep. Someone like me, I slept very late. I think I slept around 2 and got up around 6 or something. So let's brush. A quick one.
It's been a wonderful time. The breakfast was nice. Let's wait till the cook rice. We'll continue then. You guys, you need to come join us for this adventure.
Early morning food. It's looking good. Good food in the bush.
Kitchen.
Over there we have Killer. He went to get the trees that we'll be using. Wood. Because it's not a tree any longer. He went to get the wood. So now we're about to make our own oven. And this is the right way of doing it. You have to dig a hole. Have your strong wood. Take a look at this. This is very deep. So that come about wood.
Killer. Ẹ bá gé kínní yẹn kan kàbí sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́.
Enjoy, baby. Hello. bá wèrè. Wọ́n ká ẹ̀wọ̀n ìmọ̀ ajá o. Ó wà lè mọ ọdún mọ́tò tó fẹ́ wọ̀ ni. Ó mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ abẹ́rẹ́ àti ìlò fẹ́ wà bí mo lu ẹ̀.
Kò lè gbọ́. Tó bá máa gbọ́ nǹkan. Mèrè ní sídáǹdì ẹ̀. Ló ṣe pè. Láṣẹ pé bébì ló ń bá sọ̀rọ̀. Sídáǹdì ẹ̀ kí yóò di ẹ̀. Motherfucker. Sídáǹdì.
So this is the way to roast meat. You don't have to get oven. This is a fire that was set up, and the heat will definitely eat this up. Here and over there's another one. And take a look at another built bedroom. Yummy. Beggy. See, I'm not ashamed, honestly.
It's good to beg you.
I know come get shame. Now, what is go give me with this?
I want to provide this really good.
Okay. Small thing cannot do me. Big things. Can't carry on.
But you don't collect one thing.
This is big.
You two you want?
Yes.
Wait, me first.
Oppo.
Show them. See them. Beggy. Yeah. Bread is soft. One wrap bread too. I just want to tell you hello. Say mo bed twist.
I don't see you. We will collabo for bread. I get it.
I just want to tell you.
Yes, why are you dancing?
Mr. Jide bought bread for me.
It
is in over economy. I just okay. Let me.
Let me eat it alone. Hope you know.
I'll eat with my sister.
Mi gbọ́ rí. Gbogbo àwọn ará jẹ́ mi bẹ́ẹ̀ ni lọ́jọ́ máa jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Brother.
You that make you my brother. Let me try.
Oh my God.
Mr. Today, Mr. Jide Egba.
Kí ló ń bá di? Gbogbo ara ẹ̀ ti yí. Ìyàwó pé ìrìn ló máa lọ máa gbé.
Mr. Jide.
Na two of our collect.
Thank you for the bread, yo. Thank you for the bread and egg. So here are jerry cans of oil. Over here we have gari, and take a look at rice. 3 bags of rice. Over there we have veg oil, vegetable oil, and yeah, everywhere is looking good. Nothing is missing. We have jeddy. That's herbs made of akar. Guys, join me. Let's eat noodles. I will still eat bread anyway and rice. But for now, Bella is doing an amazing job. It's time to start cooking, but they want to release what we have here. Hello, ma. Stainless. Number one. Baba mi. Ẹ káàárọ̀ sà. Báwo night ni?
Enjoy.
The great hunter, Jaguar. Ṣé wa? Báwo ni trip? Ṣé kò wà stressful? Bambage. Ẹ káàárọ̀ sà. Báwo night ni? Ẹ káàbọ̀ sà. Ṣé kò wà stressful? Yes sir. Kila, what are you doing?
Hello, Mara Matthias.
I am jumping.
Hello, Mara Matthias.
You want to roast the meat so that it won't get spoiled. Because here in the bush, there's no freezer, so he has to roast it.
Okay.
This is the processing.
Okay. Ma, what
are you doing? I am jumping in next thing.
Okay.
And you jump into a meat me.
Rice is on the fire there. So we are having white rice this morning.
Very nice.
Is that right? No need for that. I think that bucket is okay.
So breakfast is ready. Ifa ó lọ dáadáa. Yes o. À ń jayé. Allah, soft living. Food is ready. Here we have the stew. Take a look at this. This is looking good, I know. And here's the rice.
Mommy, about the travel, about a minute, ìwọ kọ́ mú bá wí tó rẹ̀yìn ládùn ẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ bá ti gbóúnjẹ fún èèyàn fi síbí sí ìwọ má má gbà orí kò jorí orí kò jorí eléyìí ti lábẹ́ ó ti mọ gògóró lálọ́ ó ti mọ gògóró lálọ́ yìí.